Hello, we want to find the value of x if 2 plus x raised to power 4 is equals to 16. This is an exponential equation. Some will want to say that since this is 2 raised to power x, 2 plus x raised to power 4, we can just find the multiples of 2 from 16. So we say what? 2 plus x raised to power 4 we equals to what? 2 raised to power 4. And now say, since both of them have the same exponent, let's now say that 2 plus x is equals to 2. That will be wrong. That will be very wrong. If you use that method, you are going to get a wrong answer. So what are we going to do? So what we're going to do is just that we are going to, apply to solve this problem from another perspective. How? Fine. So now let's first of all find the because especially we expect ourselves to have 4 answers because the exponent of x is 4. So the answers, the roots of this particular equation should be 4. So let's first of all find the square root of both sides. Find the square root of both sides. Find the square root of both sides. So by the time we say find the square root of both sides, the square root of all this will be what? 2 plus x raised to power 2. That's the square root of this. Then is equals to the square root of this will be plus or minus what? 4. I hope you understand that. Beautiful. So now let's expand this now. We expand this as when we expand this, we have 2 raised to power 2 plus 2x, that's 4x plus x squared is equal to plus or minus 4. Okay? Now that means we can use plus 4, we can use minus 4. So here we can have, when we use plus 4, let's see, we have 4 plus 4x plus x squared is equals to, when we use plus 4, what do we have? So let's try to do it here. Let's try to do it here. Now, this will be what? X squared plus 4x. We start with x squared. We write x squared first, then plus 4 is equal to 4. Okay? So with this, we can take this 4 here and have what? X squared is equal to, because if you bring it here, it's still the same thing. Plus 4x is equals to 4 minus 4. That is 0. 4 minus 4 will be 0. So here, x can be factored out as x into x plus divide 4x by x. You have 4 here. Is equals to what? Is equals to 0. Beautiful. So that means x could be equals to 0 or x plus 4 is equals to 0. And x plus 4 equals to 0. When you take 4 to the other side, it becomes what? So x equals to 0 here, or x is equals to minus 4. So we have gotten 2 values for x there. Okay, now let's try when x is minus 4, because we said we have 2 values there. So let's try when x is equals to minus 4. Okay, now let's put minus 4 here. Yes. Okay, so we have what? By the time we expand this, we have 4 plus 4x plus x squared, which we have done before, is equal to what? Minus 4. I hope you are getting this. Beautiful. So we can rewrite this as x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to minus 4. So you can bring this here so as to give us a correct equation. X squared plus 4x plus 4. When this comes here, it becomes plus 4 is equal to what? Is equal to 0. Okay? So you have what? X squared plus 4x plus 8 is equals to 0. So we now factorize this. Let's factorize this expression, because it's now what? A quadratic equation. So we can say, we think of a value that will give us 8, 2 times 4 will give us 8, but it cannot give us, when we add them together, it cannot give us 4. So that means we can use, algebraic formula method. What is algebraic formula method? That is what you popularly call almighty formula. That's not correct. It is what? It's quadratic formula method. So we can say x will be minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So here, if you compare this expression with ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0, that's the general form of quadratic equation. So our a here is 1, so a is 1. Then our bx, taking the coefficient of x here is plus b, coefficient of x here is plus 4. So b is equals to 4. Then our c is equals to what? Plus 8. So use that in the equation. Let's do that here. Use that in the equation. the formula. So x becomes what? X equals what? Minus our b is what? 4. Then plus or minus square root of 4 squared, because our b is minus 4 times a. Our a is 1 times our c. Our c is 8. Okay, everything all over 2 times a, 2 times 1. So we have what? X equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root 16 minus 32 all over what? All over what? All over 2. Okay, so we have what? X equals to minus 4 plus or minus 4 plus or minus square root minus 16 all over what? All over 2. So now with that we're going to have what? We're going to have x now. X equals to minus 4 plus or minus square root 16 times minus 1. That's the meaning of minus 16. Okay? All over 2. So that will give us what? X equals to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 times square root of minus 1 all over 2. Okay? Are we follow? Beautiful. So x equals what? Minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4. Then note, in complex number, root minus 1 is I. So that means 4 times I all over 2. Okay? I hope you are getting beautiful, because root minus 1 is I. So minus 4 plus or minus 4 I all over 2. This will finally give us x equals to minus, divide this by 2, that's minus 2 plus or minus 2i. So in this case now, we have two values. X equal to minus 2 plus 2i. X equals to what? Minus 2 minus 2i. So we have two values here, and the other one we have x equals to 0, or that range, that value we have. We have two values in the first one. We have two values in the second one now. So our x must have 4 roots, like I told you. So because the raised power 4 here indicates that the highest degree of x here is what? Is 4. So if you test this, you put what the value you obtain here, there, you will observe that what you have there is going to be correct. So when x equals to 0, you know what we get there. When x equals to minus 4, we had 0 and minus 4 in the first answers. So if you put 0 here, 2 plus 0, that's 2. 2 raised power 4 is 16. You put minus 4 here, 2 plus minus 4, that's minus 2. Minus 2 raised power 4 is 16. So with this, we have come to the end of this beautiful exponential equation. I want you to subscribe to this video channel if you are joining us for the first time. And if you have been here before, click like, thumb up, share, and comment.